Welcome back to See What Her Baby Designed. My name is Kelly. On today's episode is going to be about how to make custom shoes with your Cricut vinyl. So, the last video I mentioned I had purchased these shoes from Joann's for $5.99 and used the 50% off coupon because it was on sale. And I also went back to Joann's today and purchased the Mickey Mouse Disney vinyl. It has Sparkle Mickey all in the vinyl. So I paid $7.49. The original price is $14.99. Last year, before the Easypress came out, I had made some custom Converse for my high school reunion. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I made these shoes. I think this is just the cutest thing. Made these shoes last year. I didn't have an Easypress. I had something else. So I made that, and this the other side of the shoe. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can make your very own custom shoes. Lay your shoe on the side. What I'm doing is measuring the length and the height of the shoe. I will make sure that I add the length and the height of the shoe in the description down below. I log into InDesign Space to adjust the width and the height of the shoe. Make sure you measure twice. Lay the image on the side of your shoe. Add tape onto the corners of the image and press for 30 seconds. Remove the transfer tape from the vinyl. Do it slow. You don't want to do it too fast because you may end up pulling the letters off the shoe. Now add the outline to the font. Make sure you tape the sides so it don't come up when you press it. Press for only 30 seconds. Find the middle of the shoe to place the Minnie Mouse head on the back. Also use the towel. The towel will help the support of the vinyl on the back of the shoe. This is how the shoe turned out. You got Mickey on this side and you got Mickey Mouse on the back. I didn't go by the middle of here. As you can see, it's off center. So I went by the middle of this. So that's how Mickey looks on the back. This is Mickey's side. And here go Minnie's side. You got Minnie on the back. Be careful when you with your Easypress, because I left it on too long. That's what happened. We focus on TV. And this is the side of the other side of the shoe where it say Minnie. Let me know down below if you like this DIY. Comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.